The LG V20 user here, and today I'm doing a video about TextNow. So I'm on the website here, and so if you guys didn't know, TextNow now offers free cell phone service. Y'all guys can get free calls and text. So this is really cool. So if you guys are looking to get like a burner phone, a backup phone service or whatever, TextNow could be the one to check out here. If you guys want to check this out, obviously this will be linked below. So it says here, phone service for everyone, and even in every budget, even at $0. So like I said, TextNow now has free calls and free text messages, so that's really cool. But you will have to pay extra for data. So y'all guys get the app on Android and on the y'all guys get the app on Android and the iPhone. If you guys are interested, check it out. Says get a real phone number and start calling and texting for free. No credit card is needed. Y'all guys can sign up for it right here or whatever. So let's go check this out. It says phone service without the phone bill. Here are some quotes there. Unlimited calling and texting to US and Canada. So that's really cool. So if you guys have family in Canada or whatever, this would be pretty cool. So it says here, download and use TextNow on any device to get a free phone number and calls and texts anywhere in North America for free. So that's pretty cool. It says always free nationwide connectivity there. This is buying a SIM card from TextNow gives. Okay, so you buy a SIM card from TextNow and you get nationwide coverage. Free nationwide talk and text service. TextNow is the only app that offers free nationwide cellular service supported by ads. Just buy a SIM activation kit to get started. So if you guys need a SIM card, so yeah, buy one for like $5-10 and you guys be good to go. Super affordable international calling. So you guys got family overseas or whatever, check this out here. It says TextNow offers free or low cost international calling to over 230 countries, so you can talk more without worrying about a big bill. Like I said, y'all guys can use TextNow for a backup phone service or whatever. So y'all guys can have one phone number for your personal life and have one phone for your work. Multiple numbers, multiple devices. You can use the TextNow thing on any device you want, your laptop, computer, cell phone, anything like that. You can use on any device you want. Download the TextNow app to get a second phone number with the area code you choose. Use TextNow as your business phone line on your phone, tablet, or phone, tablet, and computer. So you can use on any device you want. You can export the phone service if you guys want to do that. Obviously, if you guys want to save the date, put it in your email address and stuff like that right there. How it works. We'll show you guys that here. They recently launched a free calls and text thing. They recently launched that. The only way to get calls and text before was through Wi-Fi, but now you can use cellular connection to get free calls and free text on TextNow. Like I said, you will have to pay extra for data if you guys want that, but this would be great for like a backup phone service, a burner phone service or whatever, Wait for this thing to load here. It's phone service in an app, of course, like this with wireless, so basically you get your phone service in an app. You download it from the Play Store or the Apple App Store for free, and you just rock on now, right? page still loading here, so just give a second to hit load. Obviously you'll get a free phone number, of course. You can use any area code you want. It doesn't have to be your immediate area code or nothing like that. You can say you live in fucking say you live in Miami, which is 305 area code for Miami. You can get an area code from California, and you can use it as your phone number for TextNow. So it doesn't have to be your immediate area code, but it's totally up to you what area code you guys want. It's totally up to you. You know what I'm saying? So you do have the option to choose your own zip code. Your own area code. It doesn't have to be the area code you live in. So yeah. Of course, you do get a free phone number. Of course, to stay connected easily and seamlessly with family and friends. Of course, you guys know how that works. Free calling and texting over Wi-Fi. Yes, free. Our cutting-edge technology is built to save you money. Plus, you get additional features like voicemail, group texting, conference calling, which is pretty cool. It says use it on your phone, tablet, or desktop, and it's still free. So you can use it on any device you want. So it's pretty neat. And now use TextNow free without Wi-Fi over nationwide Sprint network. So y'all guys can still use Wi-Fi for TextNow, but you now have the option to use TextNow off of Wi-Fi. You can use TextNow on the nationwide Sprint network, so y'all guys will be using Sprint service when you guys are not on Wi-Fi. So make sure that Sprint works well in your area before you guys sign up for TextNow. Alright. So yeah, that's basically how it works. I don't know why the page is still loading, but y'all guys get the gist. Like I said, y'all guys buy a SIM card, one-time payment of $9.99. Not bad. You can use like any Sprint phone on here. They do got some phones on TextNow, but like mostly like budget phones on here. I'm trying to load the page up here so y'all guys can see the phones they have to offer. And you know they got a lot of older phones like the maybe E5 Play and stuff like that. They got the Galaxy S8. I think that's like the latest phone they got is the Galaxy S8. I think we're about to find out what phones they got. They don't got much phones here. You might be able to bring your own phone, maybe. You can bring any Sprint phone, maybe. You should be able to bring any Boost Mobile phone to TextNow if you want to. The phone you bring over must have a SIM card. It must be able to take SIM cards, so any 4G phone from Sprint will work. A 3G phone will not work on TextNow because 3G phones don't have SIM cards. Not on Sprint anyway. So I'm trying to get this page to load up here for you guys. So bear with me. So this is really cool. They recently launched this like this past week. So if you guys are looking to get like cheap cell phone service, like I said, for a backup phone carrier, you know, for your kid or whatever, TextNow is an option to check out. Like I said, it's free calls and free text. If you guys want data, you guys want to pay extra for data. you guys with the you guys can use data on Wi-Fi, or you can buy data and stuff like that. So here we are. It says never pay for phone service again. Buy some activation kit from TextNow and get free nationwide talk and text. So it's free, completely free, $0. So not bad for a backup phone service in my opinion. So of course you get free shipping and returns if you guys are not satisfied with your purchase. Return it. 30-day money back guarantee, of course. 1-year warranty on all phones, and free nationwide talk and text on the Sprint network. So that is really cool. So these are the phones they have right here. They got the Moto E5 Play. These are like a lot of older phones, but they're, you know, they're decent phones. They're budget phones. Most of them are budget phones, so they keep it in mind. So they got that Moto E5 Play here for $59.99. Moto E4 $59.99. E5 Play. This one's brand new, $69.99. The J3 Emerge, $79.99. The LG Cellular 4, they got that phone as well. So they do have some newer phones on here, but there are a lot older phones on this list, like the S7, the iPhone 7, the J7 Perch. Okay. The newest one I see on here is the Cellular 4 Plus, which it's not a new phone anymore, but it's still a pretty decent phone in 2020. So they got the J7 Perch right there for $149. The S7 $249. I would not pay $250 for the S7. I would not pay $250 for it. I would not. You are stupid if you pay $250 for a flagship phone that is, what, 4 years old now. You're stupid if you do that. $259 for the iPhone 7, 32 gigs. The Galaxy S8. They have the this one, $389 for like a refurbished version of the S8. $389. A brand new S8. $399. Then they got the Galaxy S9. I didn't know they had this phone up here, $414 for the Galaxy S9. So that's the newest phone that they have, is the Galaxy S9, which isn't bad at all, man. I mean, TextNow is a free cell phone service, so you get what you pay for. It's not bad, you know. If you guys want to get a flagship phone, you guys have a couple options here, like the Galaxy S8, Galaxy S9, and stuff like that. And you got some kit for $9.99. Free nationwide talk and text. You get you know. Here's some frequently asked questions. I know you guys got questions about it. It says, how can your service start at $0? What's the catch? Let's find out. Customers with eligible Sprint phones can get our nationwide talk and text service free of charge by just downloading the TextNow app. Like I said, the TextNow app is available for Android and the iPhone, so check it out. Free to download, you know, check it out if you guys are interested. This service is paid by the this service is paid by unobtrusive ads. So you guys will get ads. So I mean, it's a free cell phone service, so you will get ads. So if you guys can handle the ads, y'all guys get free phone service. Okay. So there is no subscription and no billing information required, and you can still connect to the nationwide Sprint network for phone service away from Wi-Fi. Can I get coverage? With TextNow, you have coverage through Wi-Fi and the nationwide Sprint network. To see if TextNow is a great fit, you can view our nationwide coverage map. Unlike traditional carriers, we automatically switch your phone service to Wi-Fi when available, saving your data and time. Can I use my existing phone with TextNow? Yes, you can bring any eligible and active Sprint device to TextNow and activate it when you download the TextNow app. If you have a compatible phone that's missing a SIM card, we have some activation kits available for purchase here. So you can bring any Sprint phone you want. I think you can bring some some Boost Mobile phones to TextNow. I know that for a fact because Lower Android, he did a video about this a few days ago on this channel, and he showed a Galaxy J3 2016 from Boost Mobile have TextNow service on it, so you can bring some Boost Mobile phones over. If you guys need help with any of this stuff, contact TextNow and they'll be able to help you guys out. If you guys have any questions, contact TextNow. So yeah, so that's how it works. You know, you buy a SIM card for $10. You know, that's a one-time fee, and that's pretty much it. You know, just download the app. It's a free app to download for Android and iOS. So download it. You know, it's worth checking out. Like I said, free cell phone service. It's a win. This would be great for a backup phone, like burner phone, the first phone for your kid or whatever. So if you guys are interested in TextNow, check it out. Download the app. It's a free app to check out. Check it out if you guys are interested. Free cell phone service, free calls and text on the Sprint network. Now, if you guys want data, you guys will have to connect to Wi-Fi. I don't know if you can buy data packages. I don't know. I don't see it here, but I don't know if you could buy. They don't mention nothing about data, but you can use data on Wi-Fi, of course. But that's all I know. So you guys will get free calls and text, which is better than nothing. I mean, $0. That's a win. If you guys just want a backup phone for calls and text, TextNow is worth checking out. Like I said, it's completely free to download the apps. Download the app, and you can use TextNow on your computer, tablet, smartphone, and stuff like that. So you can use TextNow on any device you want, and it's still free no matter what device you use it on. So this is really cool. They recently launched the free text and calling feature. You guys don't have to be on Wi-Fi to use the calls and text. When you guys are not on Wi-Fi, you guys will be on Sprint network. The only way they use data is on Wi-Fi. They don't have no data packages from what I can see here, so hopefully they'll offer data packages at some point. We'll see about that. But for a free phone service, getting free calls and text, that's better than nothing. So if you guys want to check this out, go ahead. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. If it helps me out a lot, please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.